Hello students, today we will do similarities of triangles, similarity of triangles, last part. Just we will try to do few more questions from the last exercise, that is exercise number 13.3. There we were discussed mainly about area of similar triangles and even the application level questions. So that's the thing, we are going to continue it. So we will try to do few more questions based on the same results. So first of all, we will do question number 11b from the same exercise, question number 11b part. It's given a parallelogram, so the diagram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Here one height is given, that is AM, and here also one height, that is AN. There is two perpendiculars are given. It's given AM is equal to 6 cm and AN is equal to 10 cm. We have and the area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, area of parallelogram ABCD. ABCD's area is given 45 cm square. Then we have to find out. We have to find AB, that is the first part, second part BC, and third part area of triangle ADM. Ratio of area of triangle ADM is to area of triangle ANB. This is the thing we have to do it. Two altitudes are given and area is also given. You have to find out these three parts. That's the question. So altitudes and area. Altitudes and area, with the support of that, we know area of a parallelogram is base into height. So if you use that, we will be able to find out these two parts. See, area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to, is given already 45, and area is equal to base into height. Base into height means if I take DC as the base, height will be AM. Then DC into AM is given 6 is equal to 45. From this DC is equal to 45 by 6. You can simplify with 3. 3 will go here 15 times. Here 3 will go 2. So ultimately it is 7.5. That is BC is equal to 7.5. DC is 7.5. Naturally AB will be 7.5 because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. This implies we can say AB is equal to DC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. This is the first part. AB we got 7.5. Now next we need the side AD, BC we need. So again, if I take BC as the base, the height is AN. So once again, I will go by the same formula, that is area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is given 45. Area can replace with BC into the height. Height where it is 10 is equal to 4.5 to 45. Therefore BC is equal to, it is coming by 10, that is 4.5. So that is BC is 4.5. So BC also we got. So the two sides we got, this is 7.5, this one we got it as 7.5, and this one I got it as 4.5. That is the first two parts over. Now we need one more part, ratios of their area. Suppose that we are the triangles are similar. If they are similar, then only we can go for the ratios of the area. ADM. ADM, if this is the triangle, A and B is here, these two triangles. When you consider these two triangles, in these two triangles you can see one angle is 90 in both. So first of all we can write that is angle AMD is equal to 90 is equal to angle ANB. Here 90 degrees. Both are 90. Perpendicular is given. And one more. Okay, we know in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. This angle must be equal to this in parallelogram. Its parallelogram is given. That is, I can write angle ADL is equal to angle ABN. Because opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. You must write that. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. That is the reason here. So this implies triangle. I am writing triangle DMA. I am writing it. So whichever the order I am writing it, the same order I am writing here. D. From D is B. BN by A theorem. This implies area of triangle DMA by area of triangle BN is equal to squares of their corresponding side. So I am taking, see here is in A and B now, so I am using that MA square by NA square. This one I am substituting. MA is 6 square, that is 6 into 6 divided by NA is 10, so 10 into 10. I can cancel with 3, with 2 3 times, 2 5 times. So 3 into 3, 9 divided by, here 5 into 5, 25. That means ratios of their area, that is ADM and BNA, area is 9 is to 25. So the ratio is 9 is to 25. That is the required ratio. So this is this question. So here we applied the area of parallelogram formula also I used. So that way I have done it. Question number 11b. Go through the solution. Now we will do another question. Next question. We will do. It's a question related to the application level. That is on a map drawn to a scale 1 is to 25,000. That is question number 18. Scale is given. That is scale factor. Scale is given 1 is to 25,000. Drawn to a scale a rectangular plot of land ABCD. Rectangular plot of land. So let us draw a diagram. Rectangular plot of land ABCD. It is given AB is 12 centimeter, and BC is 16 centimeter. ABCD is a rectangular plot. These are things is given, and the scale factor is given. On a map drawn to a scale, this is the map actually. Okay, the map it is drawn like this. Now we have to find out the distance of the diagonal. Means we have to find out this AC. We have to find out distance of the diagonal of the plot in kilometer. We need AC in kilometer. We need the first part. Second part we need area of the plot. Area of the plot we need. Area of the plot we need in square kilometer. These two parts we need. Okay, alright, so it's a rectangle, it's a rectangle, it is AC we need in kilometer. First of all, AC we can find out by Pythagoras theorem. That is AC square is equal to 12 square plus 16 square, base square plus height square, 144 plus 256. So if I add, it is coming 400, so AC is coming 20, that is 20 centimeter. AC is equal to 20 centimeter. So AC we got 20 centimeter, it is remember that in the diagram. Now question is actual length. So actual AC we can write next. I given a result in the last class. Actual length of AC is equal to K into here K is 25,000. K into length in the map. K into the length into map. Length in the map. Means the length of AC in the map. Okay, length of AC in the map. So now I'll put here K is 25,000 into, this is given 20. Remember the 20 is in centimeter, so naturally this will be in centimeter. If I multiply here 50, 2 into 25, 50, and then 4 zeros, centimeter, but I need in kilometer. So first of all, if I want to convert into centimeter to meter, I have to divide with 100. So first of all, I am making in meter. These 2 zeros will go. So 2 zeros, this is meter. Now meter I am converting. Meter I am converting into kilometer. 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. So I have to divide with 1000. So it is 5 kilometers. So the length of AC is 5 kilometers. So this is the first part. AC we need in kilometer. Actual AC it is in 5 kilometers. That is the first part. Now we need the second part. Area of the plot we need. Area of the plot. So for that, like this point result we have actual area. We can write it here. Next part. That is the last part. Actual area is equal to K square into area case become K square into area in the map. Area in the map I can write it. This is the result. The last class you studied. So here K square means 25. This 25,000 square. 25,000 square into area in the map. Area in the map means the length into breadth. That is 12 into 16. Length into breadth, the rectangle. So here the unit will be centimeter square. Remember that. Since both are in centimeter, it is in centimeter square. Now to do multiplication around, here 25 square is 625, and here 3 zeros are there, so that is actually 10 cube. So it will come 10 to the power 6. If I multiply, it will come 10 to the power 10 cube square. 10 cube square is 10 to the power 6 centimeter square. And simplify this. Let's simplify it. This 625. And to multiply it, 10 I can write 2 plus 2 4. Okay. This much centimeter square. Now I have to convert into square kilometer. So first of all, centimeter square to convert into meter square, I have to divide with 10 to the power 4, because centimeter to meter is, we have to divide centimeter to convert into meter, we have to divide with 100. 100 means 10 square, but since the centimeter square it will be 10 to the power 4. So first of all, I am writing this 12 into 10 to the power 10. By 10 to the power 4, if I do, it will become meter square, centimeter square to meter square. Now, meter square I have to change it. So this is ultimately 10 to the power 6. 12 into 10 to the power 6 meter square. 10 to the power 6 meter square. Now meter square, to convert meter to kilometer, we have to divide with 1000, that is 10 cube. But here square it is, so 10 to the power 6, I have to divide with 10 to the power 6. I have to divide with 10 to the power 6, so it becomes kilometer square. So ultimately it is 12 kilometer square. This is the area of the plot. Area of the plot is 12 kilometer square. So this is that question. So here there is long calculation is coming. So very carefully I will do it. This type of sums are very important in board exam point of view, scale related questions. So now we will do one more question, similar type, one more question, we will do it. That maybe you will try to include volume also in that question, since you studied a result regarding volume also. So we will try to do a question like that, that is question number 19. here a model of a building. So 3D figure is coming. Model of a building is constructed with the scale factor is 1:30. Scale factor is 1:30. If the height of the model is given 80 centimeter, height is given 80 centimeter. Height of the model is 80 centimeter. We have to find out the actual height of the building in meters. Actual height we need in meter we need. And then with the actual volume of the tank at the top of the building is actual volume is given. Actual volume is 27 meter cube. Then we have to find out the volume of the tank of the model. So volume of the model we need. So these two things we need. So first of all, height is given and scale factor is given. This height is this is the height of the model. So we know the result. Actual height is equal to K into height of the model. Then the result we know. They are similar figure it is. So actual height is equal to, so K is 30 in the height of the model is given 80. It is in centimeter. So it is coming 2400 centimeter. But we need in meters, so I have to divide with 100. So it is 24 meter. That is the first part. So this result you will know it. Okay, actual height is equal to K into height of the model. That is the first part. Now the next one is about the volume. So here we can say actual volume. Actual volume is equal to K cube. You know, it will come K cube into volume of the model. Volume of the model. And here I will substitute actual volume is given 27. It is meter cube. Is equal to K cube is, that is 30 cube. That is 30 cube into volume of the model. This if I do it 33 cube is 27. 27 will go here. Here left over 1000 that will come here. So 1/1000. 1/1000 is equal to volume of the model. Remember that this is in meter cube. This is in meter cube. So naturally this will be in meter cube. This we can write it as, this we can write in meter cube form. If I write it in decimal form, okay, I write in decimal form 0.001 meter cube. This is the volume of the model. Volume of the model 0.001 meter cube. They are not mentioned about any unit. Just leave it in unit form. So I left it in meter cube. There is no problem. So volume of the model is 0.001 meter cube. Okay. Remaining sums from the exercise, do it as homework. Whatever the sums I have discussed in the last two questions, it's very important in exam.